Welcome to the final round! Our finalists have made it this far, and now it all comes down to a game of deception. 2 briefcases, one the winning case, and the other the losing case. The player who goes first will open their briefcase and see what's inside. The player who goes second will choose either to keep their briefcase or swap it. The jury will now decide who should go first. You are first! You will now be able to see what's inside your briefcase. You will both have 30 seconds to discuss before the other finalist gets to choose to either swap or keep their briefcase. Discussion time is over. Now it's time for you to choose to either swap or keep your briefcase. They have decided to keep their briefcase. Moment of truth. We will now reveal what is inside the briefcases. You are the winner, my friend! Congratulations! Yes! You've done the impossible! You beat the game show! You beat the game show! Yes! Celebrate the good times! Celebrate the good times! Celebrate the good times!